Sa press presentation pa lang, ginalingan na agad ng candidates ng Miss World Philippines 2017. Kilalanin sila sa chika ni Lars Santiago.
Sa unang tingin pa lang, halatang pinaghandaan ng 35 kandidata ng Miss World Philippines 2017 ang pagpapakilala sa kanila sa mga miyembro ng media. Sa kanilang pagrampa at pagpapakilala sa sarili, kitang-kitang ginalingan talaga ng bawat isa.
Chantel Cruz, 20 years old, province of La Union. Liza Perez, 22, province of Bohol.
Ang mga kalahok, umani ng malakas na palakpak mula sa media people at sa pageant observers na naroon. Kabilang dito si Winwin Marquez.
Sobrang overwhelming, sobrang thank you sa pupuntang supporters, and if they think that I deserve to win, thank you.
Hindi lang sa mukha at forma nagkakatalo ang mga kandidata. Kanya-kanya rin silang pagmamalaki sa kanilang advokasya.
To help children of the Philippines that are malnourished. It's something very rampant in the Philippines.
I have my advocacy. It started 4 years ago. It's called Fashion Meets Passion. It aims to develop the self-confidence of young girls and also to motivate and to give help to the far-flung schools here in Manila.
Sa Miyerkules, magtatagisa naman sila ng talento bago idao sa mga susunod na araw ang sports, swimsuit at fashion challenges. Bawat activity, itinuturing daw nilang mahalagang bahagi ng kanilang Miss World Philippines journey.
So far, it's really lovely. My friends and we became friends from the first day. So it's quite happy to meet a lot of new girls and make new friends all over the Philippines.
A lot of realizations, to be honest, kasi we had a lot of workshops, we had a lot of interviews, and it made me realize who I am more. So totoo lang yung beauty with a purpose. Mas na-realize ko na yun talaga yung purpose ko is to advocate.
Lars Santiago, updated sa Showbiz Happening.